Welcome to African Soul Film Production. My name is Agbola Hamid Olusegun. As we proceed on Isendale Yoruba, in episode 4, we discuss on how the Ogboni are executing the law and how human being and animal do communicate. In this episode 5, we will discuss on how the Egungun and Oro were born. According to Keji Ejugbe, Orunmila got married to Oshun and they gave birth to twins. Oro and Egungun. Egungun died and Oro was alive. The one alive was crying, wanting to see his twin brother. Then the elder there decided to create a veil and took the one alive into a forest. Then someone has put on the veil, and the one in the veil was saying, "Mighty, wow, don't come now. Here is not easy." The one alive now was crying as the Egungun ran into the forest. The very word for human being is called Ekwegun. Ekwaye àti Ekworun ńlá pè ní Èjìgbèdì Ẹ̀kú. This is to let you to know that you don't look down on any Egungun because he can do and undo. He has supernatural power. Ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ o, ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ. Mo pé ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ o, ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ. Òwe eégún lẹ́sẹ̀ títí lọ dórí wo, ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ. One day, Oshun, the mother of the twins, was bathing, and Egungun came and took his mother's wrapper. This is to let you to know that despite the death of Egungun, he still comes on earth. They asked her, "Who took your wrapper?" She said, "It's unknown that took it." They asked, "Who is the unknown?" And she said, "It's either Egungun or Oro." Bí èèyàn ò bá mọ̀ wẹ̀, ta ni ó gbaṣọ ìdí ẹ̀ lọ? They asked Egungun. He said he wasn't the one. They should ask Oro. Oro said he wasn't a thief. They said, what should Orunmila's wives do? And they decided to make a sacrifice. They said if not Ishu, who could have accepted the sacrifice from Oshun? Immediately, Egungun gave the wrappers to Oro, and Oro returned the wrappers to their mother. Fámà jẹ́ kí wọ́n gbaṣọ ìdí mi lọ tọmọtọmọ tayátayá àtàwọn ẹbí mi. Àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa pátápátá, ayé ò ní gbaṣọ ìdí wa lọ, àṣẹ. Watch out for the next episode, which is going to be episode 6. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of the Yoruba history. Thank you for watching. Ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ o, ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ. Mo pé ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ o, ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ. Òwe eégún lẹ́sẹ̀ títí lọ dórí wo, ó jaṣọ bàbá rẹ̀ lọ.